Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Welcome our classmates once again for today's English lesson. I hope you're doing well. Now today we're going to learn the use of what we call the article they plus a proper nouns, some proper nouns. Now article they, we define it as a definite article. Define it as a definite article. Now, what does that mean? Now, it means that article, as a definite article, it is used to refer to items that are specific, that exist as themselves. For example, the sun. When you're writing about the sun, you cannot say a sun, I saw a sun. No, it is the sun. Why? Because you only know that that is the only sun that exists. The moon goes round the earth. The moon. Which moon? That one that we see. Now, at times, article there is used with proper nouns. With some proper nouns, especially, for example, some proper nouns especially referring to countries, physical features, yes, physical features. We have the article there coming before certain names of countries or physical features. For example, we will say the Himalaya mountains. Why would we say that? Because this one is a mountain range. It is made of many ranges, many mountains. So we say the Himalaya mountains. Alright, we also have, for example, this is a physical feature. We have the Andes. We can also talk about the Nile. The river Nile. We have also the Amazon. The Amazon River. The Amazon River, yes. If you are a keen reader of your geography, your social studies, reading your maps and atlases, you must know where these are. Now, also other nouns that will go with article there will include the countries. The Netherlands, yes, that is the country. We also have what you may refer to the democratic Republic of Congo. Yes, the Democratic Republic of Congo. So when you are talking about or writing about that country, you have to use article there. Others will be institutions. For example, the University of Nairobi. The University of Nairobi. You also have other government institutions. The Ministry of Health. You have the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Education, the Ministry of Finance. So the article there is used with certain proper nouns to refer to them specifically, and it's always important that you know which particular proper noun will be used. Most of the cases, names of people do not have are not used with article they. For example, you cannot say the John, the Michael. No, that one will be wrong. Also, other names of countries, for example, Kenya, you cannot say the Kenya, the Tanzania. That one will be wrong. So it is important that we do more research, we find out, we understand the words, the proper nouns that are used with article there. At times also we have article there used before titles of maybe a magazine or a newspaper. For example, we say the Daily Nation, the Daily Nation. Or you can also say the Standard newspaper. So it's important that we know and understand when to use article they and with which are proper nouns. Now, another language pattern that is important for us to learn as we move on in this unit is writing imaginary events. Writing of imaginary events. Now, so what are imaginary events? Writing of imaginary events. Writing imaginary events. So what are imaginary events? So we say imaginary events are things that we think of. These are things or ideas that we think of. We just think of them. They are not necessarily going to be true. So they are just there in our minds. And when we are forming or we are writing imaginary events, we use the words suppose. We use the words, for example, suppose. This one we came across it earlier on in our education, one of the classes. We also use the words what if, because you're imagining, it is not really there. And also you can also use the word imagine itself. Itself. Now, let's look at a few sentences that will help us understand more about this. Alright, one will say, imagine that you were the president of our country. Imagine that you were the president of our country. What would you do? What would you do about the coronavirus? What should you do about the coronavirus? There's a question. Imagine you are the president of our country. What would you do about the coronavirus? I have another sentence. What if I had wings? What if I had wings? I would fly to Mombasa. What if I had wings? I would fly to Mombasa. Have another sentence. Suppose you became the best pupil. What would be your advice? What will be your advice? Yes. So there we can see that we can write imaginary events using these words: suppose, what if, and the word imagine itself. So therefore, keep on practicing the use of these words, and I'm sure by the end of it all, you'll be an expert when it comes to writing such types of sentences. Thank you very much for listening. Have a good time. Bye-bye.